dear friends, it is a pleasure to co-host this important event on digital transformation in cancer care and the future of Europe health workforce. As a member of European Parliament, I serve as rapporteur on the healthcare workforce shortages in the Employment Committee. This is a critical issue, especially in times of crisis across Europe. Our hospitals face staff shortages, burnout, and growing demands from patients who deserve safe and high-quality care. I'm also strongly committed to cancer-related issues, which remain a top priority for me and for the European agenda. The best way forward is to give our professionals the kind of tools and skills so they can deliver the best care to patients. This is why today's event is so relevant in the framework of the European Year of Skills, where I have the honor to represent the Parliament as a rapporteur. We have seen that skills are the key to resilience. Without the right skills, innovation will never reach patients. The Transition Project offers a real example of progress. It brings together patients, professionals, universities, and civil society to create training that is both practical for both sides. I want to thank all the partners of Transition, the European Cancer Organization, and my compatriot Andreas Charalambous. Together we can make sure that digital transformation is not an obstacle but an opportunity to improve cancer care for all Europeans. Thank you so much for being here.